The Mix-Up, written by Noel Villan. Vowel Team. UE, EW, UI. Blue, clue, cruise, drew, flew, new, Newton, suitcase, swimsuits. High-frequency words, because, here, laugh, looks, off, open, put, sentence, there, they. Drew and Ben flew here on a new jet. They are going on a cruise. They go to their room and take off their coats. They frown because their suitcases will not open. Why won't the blue suitcases open? They don't have a clue. They will not let the trip end. They need to think of a new plan. Drew looks at the sentence on the tag. It reads, "This bag is for Ben Newton." Ben looks at the sentence on the tag. It reads, "This bag is for Drew Newton." They laugh because it was a snap to fix. They put on swimsuits and go have fun.